How Jamaicans eat hot patty. Watch till the end. How to eat a Jamaican patty. Step 1. Get a Jamaican patty. Step 2. Get cocoa bread. Step 3. Place Jamaican patty inside cocoa bread. Step 4. Eat. How Jamaicans eat in public versus how they eat at home.
Oh, it's hot. It's very, very hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. You want some? Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Just left some on that plate now.
How Jamaicans eat mango.
This is my food, no?
Go for a plate, no?
Go for a plate? Fine. It's my food.
That's too big. Where got that?
So, this is a plate too big?
Go on, man.
So, I make a
That's
plate.
still too big. We don't want that.
So, now you have food, that's a plate. You go for that plate.
No, that's still too big.
So, you have food, that's a plate. Let me go for a better plate now.
Yeah.
So I make a plate.
Oh, yeah, go with that. But
So it's a plate, it's a plate.
that's too big, brother.
You go for a better plate now.
Yeah, decide.
You just scared me, you meanie, man. You want it, man.
People me frightened me go off a tree today and see Guinea a sell. Me never know say Guinea come back so early. And you know say me did have to stop and purchase a Guinea because me love Guinea bad with a passion. Anyway, as we all know, Guinea season is right around the corner, or it reached here already apparently. But I want to know, how do you eat your Guinea? Because for a long while I have always chewed my Guinea. When I was younger, I always had this fear that if I suck the Guinea, the seed just go fly down my throat. So let me know, how do you eat your Guinea? Is it a case where you actually take it and suck it, or is it a case where you chew it? Me chew my Guinea. I've chewed my Guinea for a very long while, and I will always continue to chew my Guinea. Here you go. I'm still Guinea to eat. To me, it even tastes better this way. My opinion still, but maybe not only eating a Guinea.
Where's it going?
You can't get the mountain in your run, sir.
Wait, you're so better, what?
Blue mountain this minute.
Yeah, you're so better than what?
Yeah.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Yo, Sam, me the young Jamaican trainer. Let me tell you something. Right now, young trainer have some chicken, rice and peas. Typical meal for me, right? But let me tell you something. We Jamaicans clean off the bone. Now let me teach you a saying when you eating chicken. You ready, Dad?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You see, you have to crumble the bone. That's how you humble the bone.
What you say?
Lord, I'm never here. You have to crumble the bone. That's how you humble the bone. You have to crumble the bone. That's how you... Yo, Sam, me the young Jamaican trainer. Let me tell you something. Right now, young trainer have some chicken, rice and peas. Typical meal for me, right? But let me tell you something. We Jamaicans clean off the bone. Now let me teach you a saying when you eating chicken. You ready, Dad?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You see, you have to crumble the bone. That's how you humble the bone.
What you say? That's same, sir. We're good on everything good, huh?
Sorry, I can't dash your bone now, you know.
I feel. Me say if I feel. Let me fool me belly. You hear me, I tell you? Let me fool you. This is it. Never want them dog at me and they just a look cook for me so. Me want it too. Thank you, Jesus.
How Jamaican men eat bananas.
Why do you eat a banana like that?
Bad man eat banana a certain way.
Look good. Always look good. Don't worry about what's happening around you. It doesn't matter. Always look good.
rice first or your meat first? Because the people that will eat off the meat first and leave the rice for last is a red flag that, you know, because you eat sauce or rice now, you know, bro. Just rice. I pray for you. Because personally, I'm a meat man. You see, once me I eat and my meat done, it's wraps, bro. The food just done. The plate could have full of rice. Once me not have meat, the food done eat.
Me, the whole of you, sir.
Jerry, look how cute.
Fine, wonderful.
You like how I look?
Yeah, man, you look nice, man. You're nice hairstyle you have.
Yeah, you know, so
You're fine, yeah, you look nice.
You like me?
Hello.
Jerry.
I tell you about me, I like you.
Say
I
that.
don't like you already long time.
Come here, now.
Oh, what do you in love? Love kill more people than hate, you know. Love kill more people than hate.
You look nice.
Fine, wonderful. Oh, made them so big and bright. Oh, come here, pulp out I made. Yes, the man pulp out. How about this? I about never see my eyes tear such a blow.
Jerry, so we are going to look when we get old.
Like one clown. How can I move? How can I think that? Look for your face, flat. A clown. Oh, pulp out I. What kind of film this I have? What kind of... Well, look a bit, man. Oh, them one clown.
So
Oh, my eyes are bright.
But them say a clown.
What clown? I joke at them, man. For me look a bit radical. For me look a bit, I have to think positive. I must about 7.
So you tell me say 12 women ever taken in your life?
12? I could have more than that, man. Look what teach me about sex. The most woman. A man? Wow, with the clown.
A man teach you for sex.
What's wrong with you, you know? Hey, you know, say she's a mad girl. I don't know, we know what I can. I tell her in our taxi. I toot. And we know what they forgot. Where you clown out people, sir?
Come kiss me.
You kiss clown.
Come kiss me.
Yes.
Come
Come
kiss
French kiss. Me don't want to put a jar. French kiss.
Hello, Sobon.
Hey, Sobon, can I speak to anyone?
Ubani?
Anyone.
Oh. Anyone could be anyone. Mfethu nami ngisana ngo anyone. Uchaza ukuthini kahle mfowethu. Okay, khuluma nami. Speak to me mfowethu. To me.
I don't want to speak to you. I need to speak to anyone.
Ubani wena ubani?
My name is Keles.
Ukeles wakabani?
My name is Keles what?
Keles what?
You mean my surname?
Yes, isibongo mfowethu.
What?
Cha mfowethu. Mengithi what ngichaza ukuthi isibongo sakho mfowethu useno name wakabani?
Keles what?
Hayibo, kahle mfowethu. Manje ngizwazi kanjani mina ukuthi bengikhuluma no Keles what uma ungafuni ukusho isibongo sakho, say name yakho?
My name is Keles what? Can I speak to...
My friend, coming, no coming. This man pay, I call me, this man fee too much problem. You're coming, no coming, you speak. No have net, no have number, too much problem you're crazy man, crazy. You're crazy man, crazy. I going to Ajman, your brother, no call answer, no cutting. I call me, your brother cutting. What is your problem? You're crazy man, crazy. Next time no have call me. No have net, no have your mobile.
Mbulele kubuja skuwa, hey. Yo, bugger. Are you back? Don't see my black me. I'm rat me. I did working for the Eastman. I shot for me. Don't see a black me. I'm rat me.
Yeah, you are right.
Thank you.
What you've done to her. They believed her statement. Now, would you like to say something? Make a message to our viewers.
Mga kababayan ko, hindi po ako narito.
Yeah, you can say in English kasi para maintindihan din ni ano.
All my fellow Filipinos, now this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn. Kanyaman.
enough vegetable, enough gravy. Why?
Okay, calm down.
Just a minute.
Calm down. To all my fellow Zambian citizenship, I'm here to what you're from spoke. And let me say it, distinguish it to the ladies, I am a gentleman. And let me say, it's protocols. Eh? Protocols. Protocols. Okay, thank you. This is what I want. Sir, calm down. To all my fellow Zambian citizenship and men at all large of the countries in Africa, how can you be surprising your girlfriend by a pregnation ring? Eh? At least surprising your girlfriend by an engagement ring.
Sir, it's engagement ring.
Eh?
Engagement ring, sir. Engagement ring.
Yeah, that's what I'm spoke. An engagement. Thank you.
I'm putting me in a bad looking. Have the shades not there? No, say, me not want to hairstyle. And I'm cute.
Naturally.
Cute number one.
Naturally.
Everybody want to be Jamaican and chat some patois out of them out. We talk English, we chat patois. Anything come to mind, and that we let out. This are English versus patois. You can tell that this is a fun. You might can't find an English dictionary, but patois, you can't find none. In a English, you have some words, and in a patois, them really change. We can't bother with the pronunciation, so what we do, we rearrange. For example, the word certificate and film is another word. We say film and surfing ticket, and any other word is just absurd. When an English person describes somebody, they might say you look slim or you look thin. But in a patois, we look you from head to toe and say you're magan or neck string. You have bad, worse, and worst. I saw the English thing goes up. But in a patois, we say bad or worse. And when you're really bad, we say wosara. English will say that's mine. And in a patois, we say that a fimi. In a English, them say give that to me. We sum it up and just say gimme. Jamaicans are very descriptive. Words look like how them sound. Like if me say me meet a mampy, you know so that one they big and round. English says get away from me. In a patois, we say gwe. English say are you guys together? In a patois, we say unu de. The Jamaican dialect is so amusing. Some words are funny, I could cry. But me I could give you no homework. Tell me how Jamaicans say goodbye.